There's a very strange star in the northwest, towards the northwest, over the Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses. It's actually very strange and seems to move quite a bit. I just took some video earlier, but I forgot to press record, but it was really bright. As you can see, it just doesn't, it looks like a star from the naked eye from looking at it, but when you use a camera it's just like a very strange light in the sky. I took some pictures. There was a star last night at the front of my house in the south, and it was very similar to this one, just doing some really odd things and strange things, but it's a bit dull to see at the minute, so it's brightening up a bit now. Is it? Yeah, here we go. Here we go, it's starting to brighten up again now. I'm moving, my camera is really steady. Basically this is a warning sign to the North HYKEHAM congregation, because it's towards that area. And basically, here we go, some strange, this is what happened before I lost the recording. A band went across it. Just can't keep still, can it? There we go, brilliant. What is that? The hell is that? Bloody hell. That isn't a star, is it? If anyone knows what that is, I think it's a miracle by Jehovah, basically, because I am the Son of God, the Christ, the Messiah. And Malachi chapter 3 talks about the messenger who is coming to Jehovah's temple, to God's temple, and cleanses the temple by getting rid of the governing body of Jehovah's Witnesses and starting a new religion. In chapter 4 it says that Jehovah will send his prophet Elijah before the great and inspiring day of Jehovah. I am the prophet Elijah, basically. As I say, this phenomena, this star is in the northwest, towards the northwest now. It's just incredible. This is happening on the, oops, I'm just shaking a bit there. Let's zoom out. This is happening on the 14th of May 2018. It's Israel's Independence Day today, and there it is. It's Israel's independence today, the 70th anniversary, and Jesus said in Matthew chapter 24 that this generation will by no means pass away until all these things occur. So Psalms said that a generation is between 70 and 80 years. So basically we will see the Christ return very soon, and this is the sign that I am the Son of God. I actually do the Bible code, which is incredible. And within the Bible code in the Old Testament, my name Hashay, H-A-C-C-H-E, my surname appears 26,600 times. In the New Testament it's in there 3,009 times. So basically I looked on last night, or the other night, and I put in hashe Messiah Christ, and it actually came up crossing each other twice in the Old Testament and also in the New Testament. So I can prove that I am the Christ, the Messiah. So we'll have to see what happens with regard to Jehovah's Spirit. I've actually got a plan in action which I'm not telling anybody about, but everything will come to fruition very soon, I'm sure. But basically, one day I had 2 phones that I used in 2012, and what happened was one of my phones went missing off the side table in my bedroom. Then I got my spare phone out because I couldn't find the one that went lost, and basically it started texting me the next day saying, I'm Jehovah God, I'm going to destroy the North HYKEHAM congregation of Jehovah's Witnesses. So that's what the text said, and carried on for about 4 months having communication with Jehovah. My phone went missing on April the 6th in 2017, last year again, and the phone started texting me within an hour saying, are you the Son of God? I hope you are. I have a plan for you. So it's very interesting that Jehovah seems to have communicated with me, and I've seen so many things happen. Please look at my other videos on YouTube, check them out, check the star out last night in the south. It's very interesting, but this star it's just moving around. I'm not actually moving the camera whatsoever, but this is phenomena. Looks like a planet. There we go, that's close in now, lot. Ooh yeah. Bloody amazing. It's almost changing colour. Stay still. Gone dull now. I think I'll call it a day for now and get this loaded onto YouTube. Bye for now.